dollar, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile. So I want to be long here, giving up a little bit there after a weak breakthrough to the new highs. Coming back down, most likely profit taking, but I will only get interested again when it hits this support level. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 10 October 2024. Today I will be trading long on the US dollar, the Swiss franc and the CAD, short on the yen, the New Zealand and the Aussie. Not much change since yesterday. But let's have a look at the dollar index. Strong run yesterday after the resting of the bulls. I've explained yesterday morning the strong run. Small body shows us that the market is just resting. Doesn't mean it's going to roll over. Could have been seen as a loss of momentum, but just to continue afterwards. That doesn't mean it's going to go up, but I think the next stop will be that area there. That's a strong level. You can see there's support, resistance, and that's right at the moving averages also. So I think that's the area. It's gonna go for those areas, and then we will see some sideways movement, and maybe the market will make up its decision to roll over or to break up, and then a brand new bull trend. You look at my intraday indicators, still very strong bullish. Dollar outperforming everything out there. So I need to be long and stay long on the US dollar. Then look at gold, still very bearish. If you look at the dollars there, strong dollar, bearish markets. That's what I'm looking for to be short gold. Not that I in a personal capacity do short gold. Look at the stochastic, very weak, showing us more downside on this. So nothing new that I will do here and look at, although the retracement would be attractive Fibonacci level, the retest of the pattern. That could happen before it drops down the page, but it looks very weak at this stage. So for now, I'm just waiting for that, and for those that want to short, that's the area to look for shorts on gold. And Bitcoin, terrible day yesterday, crypto's terrible day yesterday, bouncing last night slightly, but that's just the morning retracement, which is quite normal for most of the markets. Still testing that level, still testing that lateral support level at the 61% level. So let's see, maybe it forms a double bottom here, but you know what, maybe I've got a bullish bias. They say always, if you have a bullish bias on a chart and you then turn it upside down and you still find a way to be bullish, then you must think, you know, maybe I've got too much of a bullish bias. So at this stage, it's consolidating, it's sideways. I have a bullish bias towards it because my indicator here shows me it's still bullish. Price pattern doesn't give me much to be bullish on, but for now I just sit tight with my long-term positions. Aussie Swiss, what a scare last night. Fortunately I wasn't there to see this, but I gave you this short pattern yesterday morning, the bearish engulfing. You had the opportunity on the halfway mark to get short. Everything played out very well on the close, short, halfway mark short, stop loss about 15 pips. It's across 15 pips above that high, and I see now that missed it by 10 pips or so, luckily. And now coming back down, basically back at entry, slightly underwater on this entry, but looking good. Aussie still red zone, and the Swiss second strongest of them all in the green zone, making another candle pattern here. So if it closes in 2 hours like this, it's a dark cloud cover below the halfway mark. Well, if you're not in the trade, that's another option of getting into the trade. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then oil, perfect test of that level there. Unfortunately, no 4-hour reversal, no 1-hour reversal yet, but I'll see as the market tests this level what I'm going to do with this, but still a level I want to keep on my watch list. Very strong level. See the support, resistance, and yet again the market honored that $75 levels to the T yesterday. So I'm still waiting for that level to see if I can find some nice bottom reversal, so I'm going to keep it on my watch list. US yen, dollar, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile. So I want to be long here, giving up a little bit there after a weak breakthrough to the new highs. Coming back down, most likely profit taking, but I will only get interested again when it hits this support level here at 61% level. That's when I will get interested in some candle reversals, and then I'll consider some long positions. On the CAD yen. CAD green zone, yen red zone, bottom of the pile. So I want to be short yen, I want to be long CAD, and I can get both on this position. Directional swing, retest, this is the area I'm looking at, between 50 and 60. Structure coming in there, that's the area I will get interested in some long positions. New Zealand CAD, New Zealand red zone, and the CAD green zone. So I want to be short, but not from these levels. I would love to see retracements. So I'm pushing it a little bit. I'm not saying it will go there today. What I'm saying is if it gets there, that's the level I'll get interested. Trend nicely bearish, but a good retracement back down there will do no harm. Big support level coming in there. Could become resistant. I will see how the bears respond when it gets back up there. And then New Zealand US, New Zealand red zone, dollar, all the sparkle. Definitely want to be short here. But I'm going to wait for retracement. Structure at 61% of this last directional swing. So I would like to see a test that the bears prove themselves, and then I'll take some shorts. Euro New Zealand testing the level already. Euro not that after that one, but look at the New Zealand. I want to be short New Zealand, and going long on the Euro New Zealand will give me the short on the New Zealand. Close above the halfway mark of this black candle in the next 2 hours. That'll be what I call a piercing line. That'll get me to go long. Piercing line or bullish engulfing. But as long as it closes above the halfway mark, that's going to be a long entry for me, providing the Euro and New Zealand stay as it is. And the New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand red zone, Swiss green zone. Want to be short here. Structure coming in right at 61% level. So I would like to see a retracement back there, a test, a nice candle reversal, and then I will consider some shorts. Then on the pound New Zealand, also approaching the level I'm watching. Pound neutral, not after that, but I'm after the New Zealand short. And going long here will give me the potential short on the New Zealand. But I would like to see a retest. Structure coming in there, strong break, retracement needs to get back down there. Once it tested, nice candle reversal, I'll then consider some long positions. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.